I smiled and laughed when Manojji told me not to take a bath. I smiled and laughed when Kulin bhai ditched us. I smiled and laughed when I have to wake up early after. I smiled and laughed when my entire room got filled with bugs yesterday night. I smiled and laughed at the chakra meditation. I smiled and laughed at all the judgments which I keep on getting now and then.
Yes, I smiled and laughed when I did not get my potty in the morning. I smiled and laughed at the harbari which I felt because we had to remove the things immediately. I smiled and laughed at the shoulder pain which comes as and when it wants to come. It's very unpredictable, so I smiled and laughed.
I smiled and laughed when Manojji was going on speaking and I wanted to be in my deep meditation. I was judging Manojji so much, I could smile and laugh when I was not wanting to come in car. And Manoj is still posing me, please come, I wanted to be alone at Abba's place. I could smile and laugh when I was, when Julie was saying that, rice rakhi hai, lekin mere ko nahi khani thi, mere ko khali roti aur sabji khani thi.
I smiled and laughed when I had disturbed sleep. I smiled and laughed when I caught sudden cold and flu. I smiled and laughed when I was not feeling like coming back to Gurukul from home. I smiled and laughed when I was feeling hesitation to sing on mic during karaoke at home. I smiled and laughed when I was feeling sleepy during the chakra balancing. I smiled and laughed when we were asked to remove certain things at urgency, but took it as an opportunity to do a lot of clutter. I smiled and laughed when I really felt like sleeping more today, but had to wake up to finish my routines. And I smiled and laughed when Rohit and Joy could not come here yesterday night.